Welcome to Auto Supercar, your premier destination for all things automotive. From the latest supercars to luxury rides, we've got you covered. Subscribe now for thrilling content and join us on an exhilarating journey through the world of automotive excellence. Number 1. Trunk Cargo Net. This is about a useful automotive accessory that will keep your vehicle organized. Net for the trunk's cargo. It works with a variety of car models. It features a universal fastening that can be firmly fastened in the trunk in under a minute. The installation doesn't require any tools. Durable plastic elastic is used to make the net. Your possessions will be safely held in place during abrupt braking or turning. You can make the best use of available space thanks to the net's architecture. It is fastened to the sides as well as the trunk floor. Number 2. Nitrile Gloves. At just 8 mm thick, these nitrile gloves are strong yet flexible. They can be gripped securely on tools and items because to their embossed texture. The gloves are entirely waterproof and resistant to bodily fluids, oils, and liquids. Your hands are consistently shielded against cuts and other wounds by them. Those who are allergic to latex can also wear them. You can use the touchscreen on your smartphone without taking off the gloves because to their distinctive texture. Number 3. Wire clamps. Plastic clamps that make connecting two wires fast and simple. It is employed when supporting a cable core over a longer distance to link equipment is challenging or undesirable. To ensure a tight connection, the contact plate is pulled down with pliers once the two ends of the wire are put into the clamp. Comes with 10 connectors in either blue or red. 1, 2 by 0, 4 inches in size. Number 4. Long socket set. Power tool socket heads are longer, which facilitates much easier use. Permit access to the vehicle's difficult-to-reach areas. Useful with non-electric socket tools in the house. Whole set. 21 interchangeable socket heads with varying diameters. Number 5. Chameleon Car Film. Your automobile will look different with Chameleon Film installed. Applying film on the interior components of your car is a chic way to add personality. Furthermore, using film for interior style makes it possible to swiftly and affordably conceal a variety of flaws, dings, scratches, and other issues that always arise when driving the vehicle. Number 6. Threadlocker. Your automobile will look different with Chameleon Film installed. Applying film on the interior components of your car is a chic way to add personality. Furthermore, using film for interior style makes it possible to swiftly and affordably conceal a variety of flaws, dings, scratches, and other issues that always arise when driving the vehicle. Number 7. Valve Lapping Tool. Having to fix engines on a regular basis, change valves in particular, will undoubtedly require the use of a specialized instrument. You can lap the intake and exhaust valves using the hand lapping tool. The device consists of a handle with suction cups on either end. The handles are made of wood and they are composed of rubber that resists oil. The suction cups have an inch diameter of 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1, and 1, 4 inches. Number 8. Car Compressor Screwdriver. A little tier inflator for cars that looks like a screwdriver. Its stated capacity is 20 liters per minute, uses a battery that takes roughly 5 minutes to fully charge from 12 volts to pump a single passenger automobile tire. Due to its limited power, it is not appropriate for trucks. Comprises the user manual, hoses, advice, and the compressor itself. The little screen doubles as a pressure gauge, displaying the digital pressure reading as of right now. Number 9. Timing belt tensioner. Timing belt tension must be periodically adjusted while a vehicle is being driven. Both gasoline and diesel passenger car models can utilize the suggested multiposition tensioner. There are 5 places for adjustments: universal timing belt, tensioner delivery set. Number 10. Magnetic mitt. Indeed, it is quite annoying to lose nuts and bolts while fixing an automobile and then have to search for them afterwards. Retrieving the components is particularly problematic if they have fallen into the underhood area. Use a specific magnetic mat to stop this from occurring. It is easy to attach and won't scratch any metal surface, including the body of an automobile. Heavy keys and tools can be handled by the Magna with ease. Number 11. Battery charger. Any motorist will benefit from a battery charger made for batteries ranging in capacity from 4H to 100As. The charger has 3 charging stages, is small, and is completely autonomous. There are polarity and overheating protection settings. It has a digital LCD and an overcharge protection setting. It offers cooling in the form of a little cooler and is compatible with nearly every kind of battery. Number 12. Exterior door handles. OEM doorknobs broken. Next, a pair of external door handles is a fantastic discovery for vehicle owners. They are constructed to rigorous quality standards using robust and long-lasting materials. The handles are an ideal substitute for the OEM handles in the event that they break or wear out because they are exactly like the original components. The front door handles for the driver and passenger are included in the kit. The replacements are easy to install and won't take long. Number 13. LED headlamp. The passenger compartment is also illuminated by a small LED headlamp. The plafond contains 36 LEDs. A plate with 4 self-tapping screws is used for the fastening process. The plafond's middle is where the on-off button is located. For connection, a 7-inch colored cable with color coding is utilized. The principal benefits of this product are its low power usage and ease of installation. Thank you for tuning in to Auto Supercar. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the world of automotive excellence. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest supercar news, reviews, and features. Until next time, drive safe and keep chasing those dreams on the open road. See you in the fast lane.